One of the reasons why we do Comedian Cuisine is to let people know about different lovely restaurants. Now we want to call on Ruddy. Ruddy, please, you have to edit his English.
So I hope you enjoy the food and the comedy. So thank you for coming and hope you have a good time today. And congrats for Vicolo. And he's a really good man and do a good show. Thank you.
Nigeria, I'm from Nigeria originally. We are trying to copy American movies. Like, if you watch American movies, the way they shoot is different. They want to shoot someone. You see the way they die, like they are dying for real. But now we try to be like them. So when we shoot although we shoot once, you might hear 3 different sounds altogether. Now! Get down! I'm about to shoot you, and now you will die! Action, shoot now. Ta, ta. You just say ah! 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 Oh, no. You have shot me. Now, I die.
Comedy, spread laughter, as MC Vicolo said. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very round of applause for Manu!
Oh, you like that, right? Yeah! Sorry. Thank you. How are you guys doing today? In Africa, all we have is culture. You know, you guys have Wi-Fi and electricity and Netflix, and we have culture and like more culture and like even more culture. So the last place I want to go to is a place that only offers me culture.
Because in a way, I was in China for 6 years. You know, when you go to a store to get a body lotion, you know, I never knew that cleaning my body with was soap. This wasn't funny. This is love, is this love, is this love, this love that I'm feeling.
But so these days I've noticed the older I am, the more inclined I am to discipline children the way I used to be disciplined. So I figure, like, I don't have any kids yet, I'm single. Ladies. No, nothing. One lady gave me 1 clap. So instead of getting smacked and getting sent to my room, it was, Jason, you have been a very bad boy. 2 sentences in, they call a timeout to go and get some orange slices, and I'm there trembling on the ground, knocked out after the 3rd punch. They come back, catch their breath. Why would you do? And I'm just a limp body taking shots in the corner.
Thanks to you guys. You guys are beautiful. Thanks to all the comedians. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.